Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. So I'm going to prime my lid with my Revolution cut crease in the shade, this is the shade Etch. And I'm going to take the Warrior 3 palette and go in this blue shade and pack that in my transition area, like right where the crease is. And then I'm going to take a blending brush with nothing on it and just buff the blue so it's not a harsh line right there. And then I'm going to take my LOIUSE base in the shade Rumor 1, and I'm going to put some on the back of my hand and then tap it with my Morphe brush. And then if you don't know where to cut your crease, just look up and then your eye will let you know where you need to cut it. And it's important that you let the LOIUSE base dry, because if you don't, it's going to crease your eyeshadow when you put it on. And then I'm going to go into the Deuce by Juvia's Place. And I'm going to go into that pink, and I'm going to use my Morphe M574 brush to pack it on the outer part of my eye. And I'm going to go into that pink with my Luxie 233 brush and pack the pink on. And then I'm going to take this shimmer pink, and I'm going to wet my brush and put that on top of the light pink and some over the dark so it can flow. Then I'm going to take the Masquerade by Juvia's Place and go in that pink and put it over the other pink. I use this pink because it has sparkles in it, but it was sheer. And then I'm going to take that light pink and put it over the dark pink. And then I'm going to do this whole process again so you could just watch me. I'm going to take these lashes I got from AliExpress and put them on, and I'll put the link in the bio on where I got them. They were only $2 for one pack. And then I'm going to take the Too Faced Hangover X primer and prime my face so I can put on my foundation, concealer. And then I use the Maybelline Fit Me Dewy Smooth in the shade 330. And I'm going to blend that out with my Morphe M444 buffer brush. And then I'm using the Fenty concealer stick in the shade Almond. I use this instead of my Tarte Shape Tape today because I didn't need a lot of full coverage. And then I'm using my Morphe buffer brush. This is another brush. I like this brush because it's only $10. And it's similar to that Sigma brush, but it's cheaper and it's just the same. And then I'm using the Sasha Buttercup powder. The powder's almost gone, but I had it for 3 years, so it lasted me a long time. Then I'm using my MAC Mineralized Skin Finish to set my whole face. I'm going to use my Wet n Wild Mega Liner, the liquid liner that they have. And I highly recommend it because it's only $3 and it's a really, really, really good liquid liner to use. And then I'm going to take the pink from the Juvia's Place palette and put that on my lower lash line. I'm going to take the brown lip liner that I got from the beauty supply, and then I'm going to take the Smashbox lipstick. It's a hot pink lipstick, and it's called Be Legendary. And I'm going to put that on my lips. Then I'm going to go into the ABH Aurora palette and take that blue and highlight my face. And I always smile and put my highlight on the apples of my cheeks so it could be on the highest point of my face. Thank you for watching my video. If you like this video, please hit the thumbs up. And if you aren't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. I did this look very just on the go, like I just pulled out my palettes and tried to see what colors I wanted to do. You should always try and use multiple palettes because that's a good way to utilize all the palettes that you have, so like your money doesn't go to waste. And then I got this P. Louise base, the Rumor One, the base that everybody talks about that like makes their makeup pop, and I am not disappointed. This is beautiful. I have the Rumor 3, which is like a more brown base, but this one is like almost like a pure white one, and it is gorgeous. I highly recommend. You can get this on the Morphe website. You don't have to go on the direct P. Louise base website because P. Louise is a foreign company, so if you want to get it from their website, you have to get it in euros, or you could just go to the Morphe website and get it US currency, and you'll get it like in a week or whatever. But thank you for watching my video. I'll see you all next time in the next video. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.